5 foods that melt fat. 1. Lean proteins. Foods such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, and Greek yogurt are sources of lean protein. Protein has a higher thermic effect, meaning it requires more energy to digest, which can contribute to calorie burning. 2. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They can help keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals, reducing the urge to snack on less healthy options. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in carbohydrates, making it a filling and nutritious snack option. The protein in Greek yogurt can also help boost metabolism and support muscle growth. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories and carbohydrates, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They can help fill you up without adding many calories to your meals. 5. Whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread are high in fiber and can help you feel satisfied for longer periods, potentially reducing overall calorie intake.